still sticking. Y'all hear it? She's only running on one cylinder. I know it's hard to hear. "404 degrees. About 59 degrees. So, if I pull this plug off, it should stay running. If I pull that plug wire off, it should die. That plug wire's off. Ain't no difference. Now, we've got another issue down here too, I noticed. Watch this, I'm turning the choke on. See it go up right there? Now I'm gonna take the lever and back it back off. See, that choke is sticking also. See there? Watch this. Back it off, and I just touch it. So that's sticking a little bit, but we got other issues besides that. Appreciate you tuning back into Rayleigh's Small Engines. I'm T-Bone. This is your Get to the Point channel. Share these videos with your friends. Subscribe. Thumbs up and stuff, man. Leave comments. We need comments, y'all. Come on. Let's take a look at the spark plug. I know y'all can't see in here. I can barely see it. Now, this could be a fire issue, could be a spark plug. I don't know yet. We're just going to take it one step at a time. I never get the plug out. Ooh, yeah. It's black. Boy, that's a lot of gap on that spark plug. Holy moly. Let's take a look here. Just looking at it. What we got? Goodness sakes. Over 55 thousandths there. That's way too much gap. Let's close this up. See if we can get it back down to about 30. That's 35. 30 thousandths. Let's go see if it fires. And it may start firing now just because I closed the gap. But it still should jump that. All right, can y'all see? I doubt it. All right, right there. Let's see what's going to happen. I don't see any spark. So let's get a new plug. And yes, I'm going to check the other side too. Come off of there. All right, let's stick this one on. We'll see what's going to happen with it. Prop right up there on the metal. Let's take a look. There's no way it's going to be this easy. What? Let's check this other plug. I know y'all can't see down in here. But we're still going to address this choke issue over here too. I'm curious what this spark plug looks like. Now I've got a video. You see this big bracket here? That's what holds this big car looking muffler. And they got it mounted to a daggum aluminum head. These Exmarks are really bad about breaking the head. And it'll start out with your symptoms going to be an oil leak. Oh my goodness. Now this one, the gap looks about right, but look how smoked up that thing is. Oil on the threads too. Huh. Let's put a new plug in it. Now this is a Kawasaki. I use the BPR 4ES. Let me pop both these plugs in right quick. Y'all don't go anywhere because I got to tell you a little bit about ignition coils and a easy way to test them. All right, got my doors open back up. Let's see what she sounds like now. Is that choke? Yeah, it's off right now. All right, let's give her a little choke. Oh yeah, much better. Sometimes it's the simple things. So don't know why that gap was so wide on there. She's running like she's supposed to now. Let's talk about some coils, and we still got to fix that choke. So I've got a video called Secret Coil Diagnosis or something. I'm gonna put a link right down in the description for you, and check that video out. It'll tell you some more information about coils, and you don't really even need a voltmeter. Is it handy? Yes. But basically, you've got one tab on here on a coil, which is your kill wire. Now, if you get one, you say you're not getting any spark, even with a new spark plug and you know it's grounded good, pull your engine cover off, disconnect the wire off of this terminal. Just disconnect that wire and try it then. If you get spark then, with that wire disconnected, it starts throwing you good spark, you've got a problem with your wiring harness, or in the case of a twin cylinder, it could be your diodes. There's an inline diode in between or going for the two coils. But just disconnect that wire. If you got spark, you got a wire issue or something is killing your spark in the wiring harness. If it does not have spark, put a coil on it, okay? Simple. Be sure you clean where this coil mounts down to the block. Be sure that's clean, so it is, because this needs to be grounded to the block. Y'all check that big boy battery out. We're about to convert this Club Car DS. Isn't that fancy? Look at the antlers. We're about to convert this from lead acid batteries over to a lithium iron phosphate battery. Check that out, coming soon on T-Bone After Hours. All right, I'm gonna take some brake cleaner. Clean this up a little bit. See if we can get lucky on this also. Let's see, is it gonna work? Hold on. Nope, not yet. Come on, I don't want to take it all the way apart. Yeah. Oh, you gotta take it back off, right? Come on, thing. Come on, ease up there. Goodness. Well, y'all know I always talk about careful visual inspection. Somebody's been in here before. See, that clamp is not in the same place it was. Let's pull that hose off, see what we can do. I wonder what they were doing in here messing around. All right, well, that wasn't even very tight, was it? Get it a little bit, get it up over this lip. All right, now, see what we can see down inside. Not much. I'm gonna just keep working this thing. Uh-oh, look here, we're about to get him. Look at there, huh? Nice. Let's shoot a little more juice in here. That's just old brake cleaner. I don't want to put any WD because it's just going to attract dirt. All right, keep working, keep working. Work it, baby, work it. Oh, yeah. Well, that's nice. At least we didn't have to take it all apart. Hey, y'all be sure to subscribe over there to T-Bone After Hours. We got some cool stuff coming up on that channel. Getting that golf cart done. We're going to be working on it. Hopefully start filming on that tomorrow. Of course, I don't know what day you're going to be watching this. I think today is January 16th of January 16th of 25. See, I don't even know what day it is, y'all. Oh my gosh. All right. So, Appreciate you tuning in to Rayleigh's Small Engines. I'm T-Bone. This is your Get to the Point channel. Make sure you click that subscribe. Leave us some comments down there. I always like to hear what you guys think. Share these videos with your friends. Get on there. Silly thing. There we go. Hey, we'll see you next time. Get on there, boogerhead.